Ecology and functions of ecosystem. Question 1. Which of the following plant mechanisms is influenced by light? 1. Chlorophyll production. 2. Vegetative development. 3. Effect on transpiration rate. 4. Stomach's movements. 5. Distribution of plants. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 3 and 5 only. C. 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 2. With respect to the pyramid of energy, consider the following statements. 1. It is also known as the tropic pyramid and is always upright. 2. Concept of ecological efficiency can be explained with its help. 3. Shorter the food chain, more will be food energy available. Which of the given statements above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Match the following lists regarding various ecological rules. List 1. Rules. List 2. Related. A. Bergman's Rule 1. Body size with respect to warm-cold weather condition. B. Allen's Rule 2. Body surface area to volume ratio. C. Wrench's Rule 3. Sexual size dimorphism. D. Jordan's Rule 4. Temperature effect on morphology of fishes. E. Glogger's Rule 5. Pigmentation changes with respect to environments. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. A 1B to C3D4E5. B. A to B1C3D5E4. C. A to B1C5D4E3. D. A 1B3C to D4E5. Question 4. Arrange the following level of organization of an ecosystem in ascending order starting from protoplasm. 1. Organisms. 2. Tissues. 3. Population. 4. Ecosystem. 5. Cells. 6. Communities. 7. Biomes. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 5, 2, 1, 3, 6, 4, 7. B. 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4, 7. C. 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, 7, 4. D. 2, 5, 1, 3, 6, 7, 4. Question 5. Principle of reciprocal exclusion suggests. A. Two species that possess the same ecological niche cannot live together in the same ecosystem. B. Each species having its own vital preference can develop very well within its adaptive potentialities without any competitions. C. Species do not express its entire genetic potential. It develops only as part of its potential. D. Both B and C. Question 6. Which of the following statements regarding circadian rhythm are correct? 1. It is a response mechanism due to various environmental factors. 2. Observed only on birds and mammals and is a vital part of their survival. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Which of the following are the structural factors of the ecosystem? 1. Species composition. 2. Stratification. 3. Trophic structure. 4. Standing state. 5. Standing crop. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 3 only. C. 3, 4 and 5 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 8. Diapause can be defined as A. Period of an organism spending a specific time of the year in a dormant stage. B. A period of suspended development during unfavorable conditions. C. Prolonged dormancy period of an organism during a hot or dry period. D. A period of non-activity during cell cycle and cell division of an organism. Question 9. With respect to ecology, the term resource partitioning means A. Division of limited resources by species to help avoid competition. B. Immigration in maintaining the persistence of the local population that would otherwise go extinct. C. When both species superficially resemble each other. D. A decline in production under conditions of low population density. Question 10. With reference to mangroves, consider the following statements. 1. Mangrove forests usually grow only at tropical and subtropical latitudes near equator. 2. Mangroves are found in India only along eastern coast due to delta formation by east-flowing rivers. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 11. With reference to various steps involved in the process of decomposition, consider the following statements. 1. Humification leads to formation of humus which is highly resistant to further chemical action. 2. Mineralization is an essential pre-requirement for humification to occur. 3. Catabolism is the last step of decomposition. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 12. With reference to the ecological pyramid, consider the following statements. 1. The base of the ecological pyramid is occupied by the food producers while tip is occupied by the carnivores. 2. The number, biomass and energy of organisms gradually increase with each step trophic level of the pyramid. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.